What's up? I'm back. So we're gonna play Call of Duty Mobile. We're gonna play Search and Destroy. Search and Destroy for only one game. One game or two games.
Fugitive brown bear. Call the police immediately if you see him.
I'm Sheriff Labrador.
Sheriff Labrador, I saw Brown Bear, the fugitive.
What? Where is he now?
He's hiding at General Road.
Protect yourself and stay safe. We'll be right there. It's full of dust here, and there aren't any footprints. This place has been unoccupied for a very long time. Would it be that?
Sheriff Labrador, Brown Bear is coming after me. I'm hiding right by the beehives.
Oh, good. Ow!
Found you! It's not Brown Bear, it's Mr. Black Bear.
Is there something wrong, officer?
Oh!
I am just here to buy some honey. Huh?
Bro, my screen is like this. Bro. Okay. Gonna do this.
I'm gonna call the police. Live of Brown Bear.
Search and Destroy.
Brown Bear.
Looking at the two prank calls, I'm sure Little Fox did them just for fun. What? Little
Search
Fox?
and Destroy.
Prank calls?
So I'm gonna do Locust. No.
Liar, you're lying again. Don't you know that making false police calls is against the law? No, I think Little Fox isn't lying. Listen to the echoes and the sound of the engine. He might be trapped in a car right now.
How about I'm gonna do Holger so they can do Holger.
Search and destroy. Defend the bomb.
Okay, I'll do right here.
Enemy has dropped the bomb. Enemy contact.
They're so annoying. Let me show you what I can do.
I think I'm gonna do
Target down.
okay.
Nice work. Get ready for the next round. Defend the objectives. The enemy has the bomb.
Target down.
Sniper down. They have the bomb.
Enemy contact. Grenade out.
objective. The enemy has the bomb.
Contact with enemy.
Oh my god.
So people in need can't get help.
Bomb
Please
acquired.
call the police only when you're
Tango
in
down.
danger. Never make false police calls just for fun.
Outdoor earthquake safety.
Reloading. Nice work. Get ready for the next round. Destroy the objective. Got the bomb.
Enemy down. Enemy in sight. Tango down.
The last enemy right there.
Bomb has been planted.
Get down, sniper.
I'm gonna do it too. Then pag mag-report na ko doon,
Enemy contact. Contact with enemy.
Ay, nakabok doon. Lain?
tapos la, gamay.
Nataman.
Gamay ra. Gani.
Di lain.
Kaya ba na?
Rubo.
Ay, so.
Nice work. Eliminate all enemies. Capture the overtime objective to win.
Contact with enemy. Target down.
Nice work. Ready for the next round. Put them in the ground.
Oh my god.
Nice work. Ready for the next round. Put them in the ground.
Ayun nga. Bro.
Enemy contact. Enemy down.
Nice work. Ready for the next round.
Really?
Put them in the ground.
what are you doing?
Enemy in sight.
Rising water. Please remember that.
A big tornado.
It's not over yet. Ready up. Eliminate all of them.
Get down.
Nice work. Ready for the next round. 2 more rounds. Take it.
Sniper. Sniper down. Get down, sniper.
Nice work. Ready for the next round.
One more game.
1 more round. Finish it.
Target's in sight.
You did.
Tango down.
That's the last one.
Enemy in sight.
I like this.
Contact with enemy.
Where's Sheriff Labrador? Sheriff Labrador. Sheriff Labrador.
And
Mission accomplished.
that is all. Goodbye.